Well, if you're a collector of vintage and antique china, you'll have probably seen these occasionally in your travels and wondered what they were. They're always unmarked, and actually this is Royal Crown Derby, unfinished Imari. The undercoat, if you like, the cobalt blue element, and they started selling these because they proved so popular, and it is a very striking design, isn't it? Not the full Imari with the gilt reds and greens that would be added to this. They are always unmarked, but this, take my word for it, is Royal Crown Derby. These are the 6.25-inch side plates, and there is quite a collector's market in the unfinished Imari and this lovely cobalt blue and white. We've got two of them available, both in very good mint condition. Occasional, look at that reflection, really nice and bright. Maybe a little knife mark just on this one where it's been in storage, but usually these are bought for display rather than use, and these two are in very fine condition. We've got two sources going on. We've also got some trios in this particular pattern and design way, but if you're looking to extend your collection and have various pieces which you're wanting to add to, then we've got them available on the Vintage and Antiques website, and if you follow the link in the description below, it'll take you directly to our listing on the Vintage and Antiques website for this porcelain Royal Crown Derby. Thanks for watching.